the other woman situation. You know, the one where your heart belongs to someone who's, well, not exactly free. And instead of stooping to manipulation or playing games, you want to rise above the drama and win him over the right way. Buckle up, because this is all about attracting him authentically, not forcing him to choose. Step 1. Shift your focus. Let's be real, obsessing over the other woman is a recipe for misery. Instead, turn the spotlight on you. Invest in your own growth. Rediscover what makes you tick, what sets your soul on fire. Pursue your passions, rekindle old hobbies, or learn something new. Become the best version of yourself, not just for him, but for you. Remember, when you glow from within, it's contagious, and trust me, he'll notice. Step 2. Build your confidence. Feeling insecure. It's normal, but don't let it define you. Focus on your strengths, your accomplishments, and your unique value. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Practice self-compassion and positive affirmations. Remember, confidence is an attractive quality, and when you believe in yourself, he'll start to see you in a whole new light. Step 3. Communication is key. Open and honest. Communication is crucial in any relationship, especially when things get messy. Talk to him, not about the other woman, but about your feelings and needs. Express your concerns, but do so calmly and assertively. Listen to his perspective without judgment. Remember, communication builds trust and understanding, and that's the foundation of any lasting relationship. Step 4. Be your authentic self. Trying to be someone you're not to win him over is a recipe for disaster. He fell for the real you, so don't change your essence to fit some mold. Be yourself, quirks and all. Embrace your individuality and let your genuine personality shine through. Authenticity is magnetic, and the right person will appreciate you for who you truly are. Step 5. Let go of control. Trying to force his hand or manipulate the situation will only push him away. Focus on building a genuine connection, not controlling his choices. Understand that you can't control his feelings, but you can control how you respond to them. Trust that the universe will guide you towards what's right for you, even if it's not him.